Well, hello and welcome again to Jesse Biking. I'm kind of getting stuff ready for a new build. In the meantime, I decided to do a little steampunk thing up there that I found parts here and there. But the main part of it was the box. It's a tabletop stereo, so to speak. I've had this cigar box for about 15 years when I was working a gas station convenience store setup. So without any further ado, we'll turn around and show you what we got. Okay, there it is. The box, like I said, was made from a cigar box with embellishments that I got from Michael's. This here was part of a picture frame that I used to accent, and then of course I decorated heavily the stereo, the tape player itself. Now the speakers I got at a yard sale, and they were battery operated, which is something unusual I've never seen before. Most of the time they're usually USB powered or AC powered. But the bells I got were Christmas horns that I cut the ends off of them and used them as sort of to accent the speaker itself. And then the interior, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, the interior I use embellishments as grills that I got from Michael's. So there we go. This was a lot of fun to build. It took me about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks to put it together, paint and everything. And also too, on the side I got little handles. Yeah, there we go. I know it's a little dark in here, but I don't have any, I'm in the basement on the other side of my workshop. So I'll take some pictures up there so you can get a better look. So until next time, this is Michael from Jesse Biking wishing you a good day. Bye.